Alright, what's going on everybody? Welcome to my very first video of this channel. Today we're going to be starting my very first Shopify dropshipping website, and we're going to see if it's profitable or not. So basically, for those of you who don't know what dropshipping is, it's basically when you become the middleman of a sale. So basically you're going to find a third-party retailer like AliExpress, and then you're going to generate the sale to the customer by using your website, your marketing, your ads, everything like that. So basically, for the product that I'm going to be using today, right here, it costs $55 and I'm going to be marketing it for $120. And I've been seeing these all over the place. They've been on my Instagram, my Snapchat, they've just been posted everywhere. And obviously, if people are sponsoring the ads, then they're doing well in sales. So I'm gonna give it a shot, and yeah, we're just gonna see how it works out. So before we get into the video, I want you guys to go down, subscribe, like, comment, and tell me what kind of videos you guys want me to be doing in the future. And yeah, I'm gonna be posting more stock videos, dropshipping videos, challenge videos if you guys want me to do that. So for now, I'm just gonna get the website started, and I will see you guys at the end when I'm done creating the website, and I'm gonna get a little time lapse through it. So here we go. Alright, so I just got the website done. It's been about 4 or 5 hours now since I even started it. And yeah, here it is right here. I'll insert a little screen recording to the right here. So yeah, here we go. There's basically the massage gun right here, $120, and I have a little scroll wheel of what color you want. The plug, that's important because there's people from different countries, but since we're doing US only, I'm going to just stick with the US plug for now. Little add to cart, a little product description about the massage gun. I added a little how to use the product, and these are all pictures from AliExpress. I added a little top rated thing, and then over here on the main menu, if you click shop now, it shows you the reviews. So as you can see, there's 50 reviews on the product, and if you scroll down, you could see all of the reviews right there. So now all I have to do is just market it. I'm gonna be using Facebook ads for this. I know they're kind of expensive and stuff, but that's the way I want to go because it's safe, and I know I'll get a lot of views doing that. So yeah, hopefully we can get a lot of these sold. So my target audience for this is going to be people who like work out or do yoga, or maybe massage therapists. Alright, so I just ran the Facebook ads, and if we get sales, then we get sales. If not, then I'm going to lower it and I'm going to try something else. That way I don't lose a lot of money. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, and hopefully we get our first sale, second sale, third sale, I don't know. But yeah, I'll definitely keep you guys updated. Alright, so it is currently the end of the day, and we made $225 in sales, if you guys can see that. I'll insert a little screen recording right here. And so okay, we made $225 in sales. We did about $50 in advertisements, and then the products were $58 each. So that leaves us with, bam, $60. So yeah, there we go. It's already profitable, and that was the first day. So we'll see how the other days go. Alright, so unfortunately I didn't update you guys throughout the week of what was going on. Basically, we spent $400 total on ads and the product costs all together. And we ended up making $335 in sales. So that puts us at about negative $65. I mean, it's not that bad for our first time. At least we got sales. I didn't expect to get sales really, because this is my first time and I didn't really know what to expect. A couple things that I think went wrong during this video were either the profit margins weren't enough, the ads didn't do as well as I thought, or maybe I was just spending too much on the ads. I'm not really sure, but we're gonna definitely give it a go in the future again and see how that turns out. So we ended up getting a sale right at the end of the week, and luckily for that sale, we weren't down too much, but overall, I think we did a decent job. It wasn't too bad. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and make sure to let me know that you guys like this because I'm going to be posting more. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.